Beginners often struggle to pull over without scraping the tires, but there's a simple way to do it neatly and safely. When moving forward, start by turning the steering wheel half a turn to the right. Use a reference point on your car, such as the tip of the wiper. When that point lines up with the curb, straighten the wheel. Then turn half a turn to the left and let that reference point trace along the edge of the road. This will guide the car smoothly into position, about 30 centimeters from the curb. When reversing, begin by turning the wheel fully to the right. Watch the right side mirror. When the front door handle lines up with the curb, straighten the wheel. Then turn fully to the left and continue reversing slowly. Once the car is parallel with the curb or line, straighten the wheel and stop. With a bit of practice, this method becomes natural and helps you park with more confidence. Just focus on one reference point and turn the steering wheel twice to get into the parking space smoothly. Drive forward until your side mirror lines up with the rear of the car in front, then stop so your car's rear is aligned. After that, turn the wheel one full turn to the right and start reversing. Watch the right side mirror. When the front door handle lines up with the curb, or when the red line on the reverse camera matches the parking line, turn the wheel fully to the left and keep reversing. If there isn't enough space at the rear, turn slightly to the right while moving forward to adjust, then continue until the car fits neatly into the space.